Senuweebrakke. Lisa lyk of sy haar ore nie kan glo nie. Jy bedoel, ons het 'n hond 'n senuwee-instorting laat kry. So senuweebrakke is anxious dogs. So Lisa looks as if she can't believe what she just heard and she asks, so we gave the dogs an anxiety attack. Or dog an anxiety attack. 2 honde, sê ek. 2 dogs, sê Stian. Dis nou, as jy ons buurvrou se poodles honde wil noem. That's if you want to call my neighbors dogs poodles. Sy vat die goed elke week hondesalon toe, om geborsel en gepamper lang te word. She takes them to the dog parlor every week, to get combed and pampered. Ja. Sy het vir my ma gesê die musiek het die 2 brakkies so omgekrap, dat hulle nie wil eet nie. She told my mom that it made them so anxious they didn't want to eat. Nie sleg vir die eerste probeerslag nie, spot Zane. So Zane teases and says, but that means we did a good job for the first time we practiced together. Ek sê, sy oordryf, obviously, maar my ma en pa is lekker vies. So Tian says, obviously she's being overdramatic. But his parents are very mad. En dit, oor 2 senuweebrakke. And that about 2 dogs. 2 anxious dogs. Ek ignoreer Zane se grappies, so Zane is making a joke out of all of this, and Tian is just ignoring him. Ouens, ons kan nie meer in die garage oefen nie. Ek is jammer. Julle weet, of weet julle van 'n ander plek? Guys, we can't practice in the garage anymore. I'm really sorry, but do you know of another place? Stilte. Selfs Bongie het vir 'n verandering nie 'n plan nie. Silence. Not even Bongie has a plan this time. Die klok lui vir die begin van die skooldag. The bell rings for the start of the school day. Ons chat later weer, sê Bongie en tel haar tas op. We'll chat later again, says Bongie and she picks up her bag. Dis 'n flippin' bummer, sê Zane terwyl ons ry toe stap. Wat gaan ons nou doen? What are we gonna do now? Ek het nie 'n klou nie. Hy stamp met sy tas teen my. So he hits his bag against Tian. Hey, raai wat? Ek het Liesel toe gevra vir 'n fliek. I asked Liesel to go to the movies with me. Ek glimlag. Tian smiles. He's obviously very expectant and asks and in. Sy moet die volgende paar aande oefen vir 'n musiekeksamen, maar sy het darm nie nee gesê nie. She said she needs to practice for a music exam. At least she didn't say no. Ek rol net my oë. Tian rolls his eyes. Zane kan eendag lesse in optimisme gee. Zane can teach anyone how to be an optimistic person.